Hey future millionaires! My name is Isabella and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. When I started my online businesses, I had 0 connections, 0 followers, and 0 experience. Also, 0 budget for ads or for paying anybody to do anything for me. So I had to get creative, and that's how I built a multi-million-dollar business using organic content that worked smarter and not harder. Now, fast forward to today, it has become even easier for you guys to get started as complete beginners. If I had the tools that they have now, back then, I would have got to where I am way faster. You can literally create high converting ads in minutes without hiring a single creator. And here's the crazy part. This person that you're looking at right now, they don't exist. This is completely made using AI in minutes. AI is unlocking the future in advertising. And if you sell anything online, no matter what the products are, I'm about to give you the exact blueprint I use to create AI-powered UGC ads that make sales for a fraction of the cost. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, so let's get started. Rule number 1, guys, you do not need to reinvent the wheel. You need to just jump into the wheel. I want you guys to go on a productive scrolling spree on Instagram, on TikTok, specifically looking at your competitors and just businesses that are already selling products similar to yours. Search keywords or products in your niche on Instagram and TikTok. Examine what those stores are doing and how they're marketing. You can just literally scroll through and check. What videos are going viral? What is their overall brand images? Here is my formula for viral ads. Whether you're creating video ads from scratch for your online stores, hiring other UGC creators, or getting an AI to do it for you, you need to know this formula. Understanding the psychology, why viewers stop scrolling, why does the person find value in your content, and what you're selling. What problem are you solving throughout that video? To truly get people to stop scrolling and to buy from you. With your product, you should already have B-roll shots, which are just videos of the products themselves that you can use throughout the content. Sometimes your supplier can give this to you. Always keep your videos fast, 15 to 30 seconds max. Unless it's on TikTok and it's a unique situation, you're really explaining something in depth, it's over a minute, but usually that's not gonna be the best practices for ads. The first 3 seconds are the make it or break it point. Those first 3 seconds of your short form content should grab the viewer's attention immediately. Let's take a look at a few for examples. This is a really good example of a hook. This is also a really good example of a hook. Now let's get into how you're gonna actually create these AI ads step by step in minutes. For all my in-depth courses about editing, hooks, captions, etc. We're going to talk about them a little bit today, but make sure you guys also go and watch my How to Get Sales playlist, which is on my YouTube channel. And I have multiple videos about this also that can help you specifically master these skills. I found this one AI tool, Create UGC, that creates tons of super realistic UGC video ads for you in minutes. With this platform, you don't have to wait weeks to test different ads or deal with different influencers because the AI is just going to do everything for you. And it also costs you 90% less since you don't need any freelancers to edit videos for you or to do any extra work. This tool can literally give you 20 different ads in a matter of an hour. So to access this tool, I did put the link for you guys down in my description box below. You can click that link, then it's gonna bring you to this page. You can just create an account and then you'll be brought to this page. Here you're gonna see that all you have to do is paste a product link from your online store right into this box, and it's gonna generate an entire UGC video for you in minutes. So you're either gonna go to your own online store and copy the link here of your product, or you can go straight to your supplier on AliExpress or Alibaba and grab the link from there if your online store doesn't have enough information about the product yet. So for example, here's a listing of this finger joint tiger massage clip from a supplier. And let's just say you're selling this item in your store. So let's just copy the link. Then you're gonna go back to Create UGC and just paste it right here in this box. Then you're gonna just select whether you want a video reaction or you wanna do a product in hand video. So let's try this one first and just click on continue. You can see that just with that link, it already imported everything we need here to know about the product. So you have your description, your product name, and all the photos here. And if it's a broad name or has a brand name, just make sure you delete that or put your own brand name here. Then just select the picture that you want to use in the actual video ad. So we're going to go ahead and just pick this one because I just feel like it's the most basic one and it just shares exactly what the product is doing. So that way it might be easier for the AI to actually read the image. So just keep that in mind. Then you're going to just choose the video setting. So you can choose what platform you want it on. It's usually always going to be across the board, honestly. So at the 9:16 ratio, you can just leave it here like this. Then you're going to just select how long you want your video to be. So when you're doing testing, you can kind of just like try out different ones, but we'll go ahead and just leave it at 30 seconds. And then just click next. Now is the fun part. We're gonna choose our AI avatar. So even if you're not wanting to use one of the AI avatars for your content, you can still use this platform to generate your scripts and B-roll footage of the actual product. So let's go ahead and go with this girl. They have so many different ones you can choose from. You can see here all the different options. You can even filter right here by gender or ethnicity. So let's pick her and see how she does. And now you guys can see that they gave you 3 different scripts here that you can pick from. So pick whichever script you like the best. I think they're all legit. And the thing that I looked at the most was actually the first sentence. The first sentence, remember, about the hook. That's what captures their attention. That's what makes people want to stay or not. So just make sure like that should always be the priority. That should always be the best part of the video. So then again, let's just click next again. And then we're gonna click generate. And it's just gonna take a few minutes to actually generate your video. And after a few minutes, it's been generated. So let's see what the AI made for us.
Struggling with headaches and tension ruining your day? Introducing the finger joint Tiger Point massage clip, the drug-free solution trusted by thousands.
Not bad. I think this looks really good, especially for AI being so new. I'm sure it's just gonna get better and better as well. It's just so crazy. And sometimes even when I'm scrolling on social media, these AI like ads, they like catch me. Like I actually literally think they're a real person at first. Okay, so now let's just see the other method, which is the avatar actually holding the product. I went through the steps again, and here is a glimpse of what that one looks like.
Tired of headaches ruining your day? The Mini Huko Finger Joint Tiger Point Massage Clip.
Really crazy. So for this, they do have a couple different plans that you can pick from, which are very affordable. This is personally the plan that I have. You can select monthly or yearly for whatever plan you want, and you do save some money if you do pay yearly. So that is the fee for that. So now that you guys know how to create UGC ads with AI, now you have no excuse why you can't start posting organic content or even using these for your ads if you do choose to buy ads, which we'll talk about next, for your online business. I want to quickly just go over how to actually scale your content because I have lots of valuable information I would just love to share with you while you're already here. Once you have a good video, you can reuse that video unlimited amounts of time. I actually look at creating content as an investment of my time because I really feel like one piece of content, it becomes like a digital asset for you, especially when it's well done. You can continue to just use it over and over and over again, especially with online stores. And if you're new to online business, you're probably thinking like, which direction should I go in? Should I master organic marketing? Should I master ads? Should I just buy ads? And I want you guys to realize that just because you buy ads does not mean that you're going to make money back. There's a very specific strategy that you have to take when buying ads. And when I first started, I literally started with $0 with no money. So I didn't even have money for ads. So you can be 100% successful just with organic marketing. And I do believe in order to have successful ads, you should know organic marketing anyways, because if you don't actually go in and buy ads with like good content, like if you don't even know what a good piece of content is, you haven't tested it organically, why would you just buy ads on something that might not be that great? It's not going to do that well. So the best strategy, in my opinion, if you're really wanting to do both, is to create content. Free advertising. Think of TikTok and Instagram as literally like a sprinkler. It's constantly just throwing your content out to a bunch, thousands of people, even from a new account through Instagram Reels. And of course, like just different, even Facebook now, like Facebook's boosting photos. Like there's always opportunities to get your product seen for free with the power of social media. So if you don't already have social media accounts branded for your online stores, you absolutely need to. It should be like you go to set up your online store, you should go and set up your branded accounts as well. So when you guys post these on Instagram, use 3 to 5 hashtags and as many keywords related to your niche as possible. On TikTok, use a short, concise title with 1 to 3 hashtags maximum. You can also include keywords and describe your product in the caption, but do not say link in bio or sale or shop now, or they will just block it from being seen. It will never go viral. And you can say it on Instagram. They don't care, but on TikTok they do. And maybe for new accounts on Instagram, while they're still like making sure you're legit, maybe just don't say it. People will know where to go and shop. If they're like, you're showing them something, they're going to go to the link in your bio. And that's exactly why your bios should be well branded, which I show you guys how to do in my How to Get Sales playlist. So definitely make sure you guys go study those videos. Going back, so on Pinterest is another great way for free organic traffic. You're going to add your title, post with as many keywords as possible, and then add your link to the post like this. So I just wanted to put these 3 together for you guys so you guys can get these videos posted right away and you don't have to hesitate or even go watch another video before you do so. And I always say that I'm successful because I focused on this. This is what I truly believe, is that it's 75% the marketing, 25% the product. So I focused so much of my energy and time and thought process into the marketing before the actual product itself even. So always study, like I always spend more time studying how to market things and that skill, marketing and making sure that you know that skill like the back of your hand, instead of even finding a winning product. Like that can wait, because if you master marketing, no matter what you're selling, you can sell. So again, I have an entire playlist for you guys that I made just for you guys on my YouTube channel called How to Get Sales. So you guys can go and absorb the free courses in that playlist. And of course too, I have tons of other videos on my YouTube channel helping you guys strategize in all different ways, in all different business types. So if you guys have any questions about this, I thought I just had to share this with you guys because it's just so cool in the world of AI, how many things you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free education and courses for you guys just like this. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business ventures. Bye.